What's up guys, welcome back to the TK Tech video. Now a company called Naenka, not sure how to say it, reached out to me quite a while ago actually and asked me if I would like to review one of their earphones, particularly these ones. These were the Naenka Lite, something like that, true wireless earphones. And I was like, yeah sure, send them over. And I just had them in storage for a while, but finally I've had some time to actually review them. I actually went onto their website and just had a look at it, trying to see how much they would actually cost. So they have the Naenka Lite, which are IPX5 waterproof true wireless earbuds. These cost, well, they're usually $60. They reduce it down to $40. So this is kind of the budget side of true wireless earphones. I've reviewed a lot of budget true wireless earphones, most of them from Wish, usually like a knockoff of brands such as these ones. So these are the Galaxy Buds Pro, the Galaxy Buds Live, sorry. These are around £30, so probably around $40 as well. They look good, as in they look like Galaxy Buds. You can check out that video. If I can open it, you can check out that video. You can't take calls on them pretty much. The microphone's So they have other things as well. They have the Naenka Lite Pro. These are advertised as like their gaming, low latency earbuds. They've got Bluetooth 5.2. They've also got some bone conduction versions as well. So, they seem like a legitimate company. I was like, yeah, sure, let's check them out. The first thing I would say is like the packaging is actually really good. I've never seen wireless earbuds packaged like this. Even things like the Samsung, the Apple AirPods, and things like that. They don't get packaged like this. Yeah, so it comes in a sleeve. I'll just check out the back quickly. And then this is the actual box here. So nothing on the box. It actually has a really cool hinge mechanism. The best gift. Welcome. Yeah, so this is by far the best packaging I've seen on any true wireless earbuds ever. For $40, I feel like 10 of those dollars are going on the packaging. So let me just see what we have in here. So we have USB Type-C charger and some paperwork. Put it to the side. We have the actual earbuds. They come on this foam support. Let's pop those out. It's actually quite nice looking earbuds. We'll talk about it in a minute. And we have this thing here. If I can figure out how to open it. There's nothing in here. What's the point of this whole thing? This is like half of the box is literally empty. In a time of like where Samsung and Apple are removing their phone charger to kind of make their boxes slimmer, you've got one other company adding air to use more packaging. Yeah, I'd rather just cut the box size in half and try not to oversell your product, because then all you do is setting yourself up for disappointment really. Okay, so let's look at the earbuds. These are simple black earbuds, kind of reminiscent of the first generation and second generation AirPods, but black obviously. Personally, I'm not really a big fan of gloss black. It shows up fingerprints really easily. Matte black would have been so much better. I think something like the Anker earbuds that I reviewed quite a while ago, I'll put a link in the description below or in the pop-up card. Those aesthetically look really nice. The problem with that though was just that the case was too big. So this has a really good balance between case size. This is the kind of the case size that I like. Even something like the Galaxy Buds Live, it's shorter but it is fatter. This is more noticeable in your pocket than a form factor like this. So I actually really do prefer this form factor, this type of earbud case. As you can see, it's USB Type-C and it has like a nice silver accent to it. Yep, it's got a nice firm hinge. It would have been nice if they continued that silver accent somewhere on the actual earbuds, just to kind of link the case and the earbuds together, but you can only ask for so much. You might be able to tell from the case that there are 4 light bulbs on it. So obviously they've all turned on now. When you put your earphones in, or your earbuds in, 2 will light up to tell you that both of them are charging. For example, if I only put one in, only one will light up, so you know that obviously only one's in the case charging. The lights also tell you how much battery is in the case. So at the moment it's fully charged. You've got 4 lights. Obviously 2 lights is half charged. 1 light will be 25% charged. On the actual earbuds, you have a touch capacitive button that you just press as touch. Okay, so let's see how well it connects to the phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to unlock the phone. You may notice this is a different phone to what I usually use. A video will be coming on that soon, hopefully, so I'll explain what happened to my old phone and why I got this one here. Let's go into Bluetooth, open them up, and you can see that it actually pops up here at the bottom. Let's click on it, let's get them paired. What should happen now is that now that they're closed, I'll disconnect, so you can see nothing's connected to the Bluetooth. When I open them, yep, very quickly it's connected to it. So that's actually really quick. Automatic connection and disconnection just by opening and closing the case. Okay, so let's get a video up. Again, open them up. And you know they've connected obviously because the sound's no longer coming from there. So if I take these out, you won't be able to hear, but you can actually hear them coming from the earbuds. So let's just start the functionality of the actual earbuds. So double pressing pauses the video, pressing double pressing again will start it again. If you want to increase the volume, you press once. That'll increase it if you're using your left ear. Sorry, if you're using your right ear, but if you're using your left ear, pressing that once will lower the volume. There are some other features as well. So going to the next track, you hold and press for 2 seconds on the right, hold and press for 2 seconds on the left to go to the previous track. And I think triple pressing bring up your assistant as well. Yeah. In terms of how they sound, actually don't sound bad at all. They actually do get quite loud. So to the point where the maximum volume is not even something that I would ever reach personally. But you can't expect too much from them. Like most cheap budget earphones, the high end quite distorted and there's not much of that low end, but I wouldn't say they're bad or uncomfortable to listen to. Just don't have too high of an expectations for it. What I do find really weird is that neither on the packaging nor on the actual website can I see what they've advertised as basically the playtime. They've advertised loads of things. They've advertised low latency, IPX waterproof, actually about low latency. It's not that low in its latency. I personally haven't been able to play any kind of warfighting game, so Call of Duty, for example. The latency is still too slow when shooting. Yeah, they've advertised things like the dual microphones, that I agree with. I've actually tried these out in call. They are actually audible. I've been told they're a bit muffly, but you can hear them. These ones, the fake Samsung Galaxy Buds, which I got for pretty much the same price, these you can't hear anything when I'm calling on the phone, so at least I can use these on call. They've talked about noise cancelling here. I don't know if this is like an automatic thing. I'm not sure how effective this is. This is an out-ear design. I do like the out-ear design. They just sit in your ear, but generally with an out-ear design you don't get that great of noise cancelling features. But when you go through their website, they've talked about fast connection, things like that. Small light design, IPX5 again. Oh, never mind. It's right here. So low power consumption solution. They have advertised it. 4 to 5 hours of playtime for music. I'm not sure about music, but I've had Teams meetings with these. I would say one full charge of the earbuds lasts me around 3 hours. I don't get that 4 to 5 hours. Maybe when you're calling it's different to when you're listening to music, but yeah, I'd say 3 hours, solid 3 hours at least. And I can say about 3 charges. I don't think I've ever gotten 4 charges from it, but yeah, 3 charges from the case, I do believe. All in all though, I actually do think these are a really good pair of earphones. I really like their case. I like the design and the style of them. If they can make a matte black version, yeah, that'd be better, for me at least. Main thing though is the design, really compact. This is what I really like to see in true wireless earbuds. The Anker earbuds that I reviewed, their case is way too big to even carry around in your pocket. Good battery life, not the best, but good enough. Sound quality is, I would say, above average for earbuds in the same class. Generally though, yeah, regarding the packaging, try not to oversell it. Again, I don't know if this is just a special product review package or a gift package, but you don't need all of this for that. Okay, but other than that, Naenka, great earbuds for the price. I would like to check out the gaming ones that you have. So the Naenka Lite Pros, those have Bluetooth 5.2 and supposed to have even lower latency. I would actually really like to check those out. So if you are willing, yeah, I'd be happy to check those out too. Anyway guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave a description for Naenka's website below, so you can check it out if you want to. And I'll see you on the next TK Tech video.